Ready to unlock the secret to creating videos on autopilot? Today, we're diving into how to automate video creation using Deepseek AI models directly within N8n. This unlocks a world where videos generate themselves from text, images, or any data you feed them. First, you will install the Deepseek N8n. Next, drag and drop the Deepseek node into your canvas. Connect it to your trigger node. This could be a webhook, a schedule, or even data from a spreadsheet. Now, configure the Deepseek node to match your data source. For example, if you're generating videos from text, map your text input to the model's text of video input field. Next, adjust settings like the video length, resolution, and style to fine-tune your video output to get the desired look and feel. Run your workflow in N8n and will send your data to Deepseek, which then uses its AI to generate a stunning video. Once the video is created, you can automatically upload it to YouTube, your website, or any other platform using N8n's various integrations. Happy automating!